This is Chris Whalen, CPA, and welcome to the Street Level Business Podcast. First, if you already have a question for me, please pause the podcast and call me on 732-673-0510. My CPA firm specializes in business and income tax matters for businesses and families and offers the full array of services you would expect from a full-service CPA firm. As the name implies, this podcast offers advice for those of us working and living at the street level. If you look at your screen, you will see my website and phone number, both great ways to reach me. Today's topic is Trump's tax reform will save my clients over $3 million in 2018. As tax season 2018 is approaching, I wanted to give another update on how Trump's tax reform is impacting my clients, the majority of which are middle-class families and businesses. Over the past few weeks, I went through every personal and business tax return that I prepared last year and applied the new tax laws enacted for 2018 to them. My results even surprised me. I knew that 99% of my clients would be saving money this year compared to last year. This is due to a number of reasons that I will detail in a moment. So what did I find? The total projected savings due to the new tax laws in 2018 is over $3 million. Why is that? First, let me explain how our tax system works. The amount of income tax that you owe each year is based on your income level. The United States currently uses a progressive income tax system, which means that the more money you earn, the more taxes you have to pay, and you pay a higher rate on those higher levels of income. These are called tax brackets. In 2017, those tax brackets started at 10% and reached as high as 39.6%. In 2018, the number of brackets remained the same at 7. Rates overall have come down. The top rate will fall from 39.6% to 37% in 2018. The bottom rate remains at 10%. So we have a lowering of rates from 2017 to 2018, and we all understand that will give us less tax on the same taxable income. But another change that was made was how long you stay within those brackets before your income becomes taxable at a higher level. These two things then, the lowering of the rates and the moving of the brackets to higher income, have dramatically reduced the overall taxes we all will be paying. Also, the alternative minimum tax, or AMT, has been dramatically changed, and fewer taxpayers will be subject to the AMT in 2018 compared to 2017. The next tax reduction comes for business owners, which are the majority of my client base. Trump got a lot of heat for reducing the corporate tax rate, but many in the media failed to report that he gave an even bigger tax cut to small business. What are those tax breaks for small businesses in 2018? Many will be able to reduce their tax bill by 20%. It is that simple. These are the largest tax cuts for small business I have ever seen in my 30-year career. Of course, this memo has used a broad brush to discuss these very intricate issues. Do you know how Trump's tax reform is going to impact your family and your business? If you don't, you should call me immediately to schedule a consultation so we can analyze that for you. I look forward to seeing you in tax season, which will be here before you know it. This brings us to the end of this edition of the Street Level Business Podcast. Thanks for listening. If you want to become a subscriber to my business and tax memos, please send an email to chriswhalencpa@gmail.com and I will add you. And remember, the moment you have a business or tax question is the moment you should be calling me. Thanks so much again and have a great day.